What's up? What's up? What's up? People hopping in here. All right. Turpy. Did you stream? Thought I saw a bunch of messages from people in the voice channel. What up, Jay? What up, Nate? What's the do? All right, let's drop some levels, some ranges. Holy Nikes, we gapped, right? We gapped here. 150 pips. Interesting. Daily close bearish. We're kind of squeezing here. 4-hour bullish for now. Reached the highs here. Reached the 4-hour highs. Right, that's our 4-hour level there, which is going to change a bit. Yeah. 30 looks good. So this 15 just gave us a support. We had one here. Oh, it closed back in range. Oh, interesting. How not interesting. All right, 150 pips here to come up. Can we hold the range here and then break the highs to come up? Maybe a 30 doji, 30 doji, 30 bearish closure, weak bearish. So break of the highs here makes sense, but the stops do not. And there's a high likelihood that after we re-break the highs, we might see a small push, but it'll come right back down. So because I don't want to use these stops on the re-break of the lows, right? I don't want to get caught in this about 50 pip stop re-break of the highs. Let's do this. Let's see if we can actually come back and create some kind of range here. I don't really want to take break of the highs here. It's chance it comes back, and then it's a very steep stop. Stream market open. It took 48 pips. Oh yeah, the bullish flip. I think it was the very first candle that closed. Very nice. Yeah, this is good on the break of the highs. It's just I need some better stops. The 5. Can't use the 5 there either. The 5 is that whole candle. Yeah, I saw it was it was the only possible position. Even then, right over here, it's just, yeah, current candle stops only. How much did that give you? 20, 22. Highly likely we still flip. I was watching the Leafs game. OKC won by like 200 today. Time for the Panthers to turn it up. Go Leafs. Go Cats. maybe if we break down here, it'll be interesting if this actually flips on the hourly. And if this candle is able to flip on the hourly and do something like this, we could start looking for sells here. But this would have to flip and break the lows. A lot of room to come up here. A lot of range. Need to support my country. Yeah, I feel you. I'm just supporting my state. I'm not even supporting them. I'm just like, yay, go Panthers. That's the extent of my support. Yeah. Wow, that was good. That was good. Maybe current candle stops made sense. Yeah, 46. Not bad. Wasn't expecting that. Sidebar, loving the new titles. Yeah. Nice titles. Nice titles. On another note, actually, I'm not even going to go there. Yeah. How's the meds? I mean, oh, table is covered in these meds. Got the cream. You see how my arm barely even had to move in order for me to grab them? The meds are good. The neck hurts. There we go. Pushing it. I don't know. It's been weird for the last 3 days. It's been on and off. I've been in pain, out of pain, in pain, out of pain, feeling great one moment, feeling like shit the next. Today was a tough day, but like in the last couple of hours, like the pain in my arm's gone down. So I don't know. It's weird. Yeah, it sucks because you can't like make it better. It's somewhere inside. I don't know if it's getting better or I'm getting used to it. It's gonna start getting better when I can start doing physical activity. I can't lift anything. I can't go to the gym. I can't put stress on my arm. I couldn't carry laundry from one room to the other. It started hurting. fucking laundry. Like, I can carry them. It just hurts to do so. No, they said I don't need an x-ray. They said I need a MRI. I didn't get it done yet. She said go through the course of steroids and then we'll see if we need an MRI. Said steroids, physical therapy, and then we'll look to see if an MRI is needed. That was a really good buy here on the hourly, on the 15, sorry. It's not like steroids in like the gym sense, like steroids in terms of medication. They have like antibiotics, they have steroidal medication. Is going to close here. Below the range. Yeah. I don't have anything here. Previous candle stop. Over here, I think current candle stop, break at a high. Fine. Here, no, not fine. Looks pretty good on the 30 and the hourly, huh? Crazy 4-hour candle. I will say this though, if this candle flips bearish and re-breaks its own high, we might have buys then. But it's gonna have to come down into this range. Damn, what a tight first period. No score. Tough. To recover, yeah. Oh, there we go. Break it highs again. I'm going to physical therapy, to a physical therapist next week. Can you pass these top ones in a day? I don't think so. Do not think so. $38 pips for the night, my call. W. Great evening. I just turned on the charts. I can't call it. I turned on the charts 15 minutes ago. Maybe I should have been responsible and read the rules. Come on now. All right, Benny. This did create some range to the upside. Can we now set up for an entry? What I might do here, though, might have a sell limit and a 10 pip stop, 12 pip stop. How big is that stop? 16 pips? That might have been it, though. That might have been the rejection area. I don't know. We'll see. But it's interesting because there's just so much rejection here. It could blast right through this to this next area, right? But it's such a small stop that like for a nice chance at a rejection here. Where is that? 3254.8. I'm gonna cancel it if this candle flips here. Yeah, it's coming up with heaviness. I don't know if I like it. No bottom wicks. Risk accordingly. This is very, very small trade, 15 pips here. So if this gets tapped and comes down, be ready. Be ready. Could get interesting. Come on now. I mean, that's the best we can use. break it at high. Technically shouldn't break that high. I mean, before a pullback. Who's gonna attempt these with me? Anyone? Who's gonna risk it for the biscuit? Damn, not gonna get there. We might delete here. So the 15 is gonna close. I was hoping this 15 flips. This is gonna be the 15 that taps it and flips here because we don't have a bottom wick. If we catch a bottom wick on this candle, we might have to delete. Seconds. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna delete it here. Get back down. Should have flipped there. Whack. Options in the building. What's up, man? Just waiting for the signal. Yeah, no, I deleted it there. Just doesn't make sense. Well, it doesn't. It doesn't. Just wanted the 15 to close, come back up and come back down in range. I mean, 15 to tap, come back down in range, then close. But 15 close bullish. We have a bottom wick on this candle. If we start breaking highs, might have enough volume to just drive through. Are you in Spain, Jay? On the road? Nice. Wait, is the stream public? What's going on? It's not, right? Right. Diamante. Well, as long as you got your trusty laptop, your wife and kid, that's it. What's next? Life's good, hell yeah. It's a really, really interesting day today. I'm not even sure if my kids are home from the outside. Give me 1 sec, let me check. It's funny. Benny, where's your sisters? Market opened up strong, but it's kind of set around this area now. Oh wow, what happened to the ref? He's bleeding everywhere. Oh yeah. Hit him with a stick. Yeah, the ref's out. He ain't gonna finish the game. He ain't gonna ref game 1. That's messed up. It's like at the end of Rush Hour 2, where they're doing the credits at the end, the dude falls off and Chris Tucker's like, he ain't gonna be Rush Hour 3. Same thing with this one. He ain't reffing the next game. $15 breaking the previous 15 low. 30 rebroke its own low. Who needs eyes? Unless you're the ref. And he's the fucking ref. How far away from your goal are you, Turpy? Do we at least get like 20% on there? What a shame. Not even 20% in like 2 weeks. We suck. Come on, gang, we can do it. Well, actually, no. Not just us. What's up? Were you on a walk? You didn't go on a walk? Oh, where's Kai upstairs? I thought you went on a walk. Alright, come here. Give me a hug. Alright. Not much printed. We've closed bearish on the 5, but that's about it, right? Stuck in this little range. Only good thing I saw went on the opening of the hourly. The first 15, that was about it. chat. Whenever I'm over this arm pain, I promise you I'll be more talkative. It's just a constant, like, dull fucking pain nagging me that is just annoying. Last 15 of the hourly. Are we gonna re-break highs now on the 30? No wonder people play Fortnite. Well, nothing Panthers. I missed the goal. I literally was just looking. How the fuck do I look down and miss a goal? It's crazy. I'm gonna stop looking down. Yeah, Panthers are taking this. Not a doubt in my mind. Game's young, don't be cocky. How do they say? I'm not cocky, I'm confident. I honestly, I'm just like, talking shit. As long as the Knicks win. Wouldn't be surprised if Leafs choked again. It is likelier that the Leafs choke. The Panthers are one of those teams. They're the teams that 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 runs on opportunity. If a team gives them a chance, they'll take it. Right? This is Leafs game to win or lose. You got the home ice advantage. People make too many errors around the Panthers, and they make them pay. That's what I've noticed. Give me a minute, chat. We got 9 minutes here for the hourly. I'll be back in like 2 or 3. Yo, how the fuck I go to tell my daughter good night? I come back, it's 2-0. How I missed both goals by 30 seconds? Tell me that right now. I missed both goals by seconds. I mean, I ain't complaining, but like, goddamn. Fuck Florida, never going there. That's what I thought, and then I came here, and now, like, I'm a fan. Like, here's the thing. I didn't come here, and this was the team. They built this team way after I was living here. So this is like a new team built, right? While I'm here, I was here for the build. So it's not really like rooting for the opposite team. This is gonna get tough here, because I think we'll still close above. We might get a fake out close above. If we don't, if we start closing back in range, this is gonna get interesting. Let's see. Let's see how we close. Excuse me. Another 5 minutes here, though. Zoom door. Yo, how did I just miss another goal, bro? How? It's 3-0. Damn. Forget me. How did the Leafs miss another goal? Poor Don. Oh yeah, that guy's never coming to Florida after this. After that performance. Called rejected hard. Yeah, I was looking, might come back close up in range. It's still tough though. It's hard to trade this because strange. Bunch of wicks up and downs. It's too much chop. I want to be out of this chop. I don't know. Honestly, the way the Leafs are playing, I think he should have played. He should have just went and played for the Leafs. Shit, 808 the entire range. How are you at golf or at baseball? I'm good at baseball. I haven't really played golf except like swinging at the ball a few times. I like golf. I just, you know, haven't really played like 18 holes. I'm good at baseball, hockey, basketball, tennis, all of that. What position in baseball? Shortstop, center field. That's what I played. That's what I played on all the teams growing up. It was shortstop and center field. You good at hockey? Yeah, growing up. I don't know. I honestly have not played hockey. I go skating once in a while with my kids. They're always impressed. Like, holy shit, you could do that. But like, um, yeah, I haven't played hockey since I was probably like 18, 19. I haven't done a lot of things, right? You know you're getting old when you haven't done things for 20 years. You're like, yeah, I haven't done that in 20 years. You're like, damn, what you mean? I was born 20 years ago. I haven't done that in 20 years. Oh yeah. Come on in. Everybody welcome Eddie in. Eddie! Hey. There we go. The hourly just closed. You know what that means. Bottom wiki. Not necessarily a top wiki. But this is good, right? This is closed bullish at support. God damn it. I don't know. I don't trust it.
What's up, bro?
What's the deal, man? How are you? Finally, another voice on here. Talking to myself for the last hour. Jeez.
It'd be like that sometimes.
Is this gonna flip though? Damn. I wish we were breaking highs of the previous candle here. If we flip bullish. So much U-turn here, right? The price came up and just like turning around.
Yeah.
Turning around. Break of the highs. Debating it. How much would that be? 45. Let's go. Buy stop. 3. Let's see. It's the hourly. Unless we break the previous candle low, then we'll delete. Looks great here on the hourly, but if we start breaking that low, man, it's a long way down. $60 here. Yeah, it broke. Personally, a support at this area would be amazing. My terminals are at two opposite ends of me. Like this, this.
You gotta split your eyes, one this way and one this way.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm probably gonna delete it. Yeah.
I like the top one terminal. It's pretty nice.
This is it. This is the top one. Let's see if we can form some kind of support here, or will this break heavily down into range?
My buy limit worked perfectly. Instant in.
Tap right
I
here.
waited the 10 seconds and got 28 pips.
Right here.
Yeah.
Really?
It works
figure right here. I
it
was
passed.
looking at it this area. It's funny. Oh, off the 30. You sneaky. Yeah, I got the level lower. Nice job. I guess it makes sense off the recent, but then like the 15 is there. The entire range. Like, what am I gonna do with this? Still range down here.
Yeah, I've been trying to like really get that precisely. I'm like, damn, I've been off by like a couple pips like every single time. And it gets that like deep 30 pip rejection that's like instant.
Yeah. That's what I've noticed too at areas like that. But he said I waited the 10 seconds.
Yeah, I don't want to get flagged. Because normally I would have like a quick TP and it would smack it, pull back, hit the TP. But this time I was like, all right, I gotta wait the 10 seconds.
How big are your
The
stops here? Right here? 20 pip stop?
Yeah, I think if it wicked anything lower than yeah, if it pulled below that wick and then pulled back and then rebroke that low, that's where I would have closed.
Uh,
But if it like hit that area and then kind of respected, then I would put a stop loss a little bit below that area. But yeah, I don't have like a hard stop, but that zone, I would wait for a structure to form there. And if it goes against me, then yeah, I would put my stops there.
I got you.
It's like my idea for the weekly is the money printer. Previous weekly has no top wick. This current weekly has no bottom wick. If we fly up all the way up there, grab orders, and then dump again, that'd be pretty cool. Especially if Trump
What's the
announces
money
more
printer?
news.
That's the sell stop right here?
Yeah. So for it to be like really nicely valid, if we wick up above that previous weekly high, there's no top wick
Okay.
there.
And then
If we
break
grab
below?
orders there,
Damn, so you're
yeah.
putting in orders on like June 2nd.
Yeah, I'm gonna go and buy some options for like to like swing some gold sells if that happens.
I got you.
I'm doing that for the Nasdaq till August. Right now my options are up like 200%. So, but it's like kind of like a YOLO play. If it hits all-time highs again, so if Trump keeps doing good, the options each contract can be worth up to like 3 or 4 grand, and I have four
That's a good
contracts.
that's a good RR trade.
I'm betting on America heavy.
Good. It's just gonna be a long-term thing.
Yeah. Yeah, it's like a 9 month trade.
You could have just bet the Panthers, bro. Would have been done in 2 hours.
Oh, bro, if you look at my Hard Rock Bets app, I have 0 wins and that's all losses. I don't know how to bet for shit, bro.
Yeah. You need
I
a
literally screen recorded and shared it to my friend. I'm like, bro, I have 2 wins out of like 500 plays.
betting guru.
I need to go opposite of what I do. I have one of those. One of my boys does that. He makes a lot of money sports betting. At least he did last year.
I did really well in 22. I did terribly in 23. I didn't bet a lot in 24. '22, I had a few monster wins on FanDuel. Got these sells 1 minute money or 5 minute flip. It's gonna blast through here. We're gonna be down here in a split second. Oh man. It's only a 5 minute though.
Do you know if Top One has integration with TradeZilla?
Not sure. No clue. I've never used TradeZilla.
Unless I haven't looked too deeply into my performance stats section to see if it gives me the same stats.
I've never really messed around with TradeZilla.
It helped me really get my stop loss down. Seeing all of my last like 200 trades, seeing like my average drawdown, and I'm like, wow, so there's really no reason for me to be holding these bigger losers that long.
Hey, if it helps you, if it gives you a read on stuff, for sure, use it. I'm not against it.
It helps keep me mechanical and not so emotional on my trades. Saying, oh yeah, let me just hold a little longer. And I'm like, no, well, remember my stats. This is most likely a loser if it's going this deep into drawdown. Structure's going against me. You're better off closing. Yeah, I see it. I just haven't clicked on it because I didn't have any trades, but now I have like a lot of trades. I've been trading it since market open.
Yeah, there it goes.
Five four isn't tall. If 5'4" is tall, then I'm a giant, my dog.
Yeah, 5'4" is normal, standard.
Yeah, especially in like the United States. Definitely standard.
My mom's
We got
like
some giants over here.
5'4", 5'3". My girl's like 5'6", 5'5".
Yeah, my girlfriend is what, like 5'3", right? 5'4"? Yeah, 5'3". Good, because I'm like 5'8", so I need that extra 5 inches to make it look like I'm more of a man. Wix is
So,
huge. He's like 6'4".
standing on your money. Nah, I'm like 5'9", 5'10", somewhere in between. My
I
ID
don't know, but I
says
saw a picture of you and you look tall as hell.
nah, my ID says 5'10". I'm not. I'm 5'9", 5'10".
Well, I'm taller than my ID by 2 inches.
All right. Your ID
I
says
grew
5'8".
2 inches. That's what, my ID says 5'6".
My ID says 5'10". So I don't think I'm 5'10". I think I'm like 5'9" on a good day. With this hair, I'm like 5'5".
Then you thought I was over 6 feet, bro. Do I look tall in pictures? That's good. But then people see me and they're like, Oompa Loompa Doompity Doo.
Yeah. Like what happened to him?
Now I'm 5'8", and then I wear some my shoes always give you like an extra inch, so that's like 5'9". So that puts me right under average height. So
Homie
since
always
I'm a
wearing
little bigger
Tims.
than average muscle wise, it makes me look normal.
You need some Tims. They be doing that surgery now. They break your femur, get added like an extra fucking 3 to 6 inches.
3 to 6 inches of gay. Fuck that.
You get taller, you just can't walk for like a year. This probably causes a lot of problems when you get older. You get a lot of pain.
Now those insoles will literally make you walk like fucked up. People can tell if you have those insoles that make you taller.
It's funny.
You can tell. Ron DeSantis wears them, and when he walks, it's funny.
You leave Ron alone.
No way, someone scammed meme coins to get height surgery. I don't know. The shortest guys I know never have any trouble getting women. I always see them with a woman.
It's called money.
Um, yeah, maybe.
That shit's called money, dog. What are we doing here? What's the level? Do we use the 30? Do we use the 15? I like the 15 level better. $32, huh? Let's go to closure. Daily never broke that previous daily high. Interesting. Is there a way to set up just a sell and a buy button over here? Just
That's
so
what I've
that
been trying to look for, and I don't think so.
it's a lot easier than right click. There's been so many times I would have taken market entries, but it's just by the time I see it, it's like, holy shit, too much stuff. Yeah, reset your layout, but then they get rid of all of this. Like a whole bunch of shit comes back on. I just want like just the green and red button. That's it. Or a blue and red button. Loss is by far loss by far the tallest. Yeah, that boy was like 6'4". When I seen him, I thought I was getting robbed because he started yelling from across the street. I was like, oh shit, we gotta run.
That's hilarious.
Hey Wix, can you try and push that little plus button above the camera on the right side there at the top? If you push that plus button, it says add components. If you click on that, it should give you a bunch of options.
Yeah, I'm
Should come
clicking
up on
on
your
it.
screen,
I'm clicking on it.
and nothing's coming up.
Nope.
That's weird. Yeah, that is weird.
Actively
Because
clicking on it.
when I click on it, it gives me like about 10 or so different options to choose from.
I don't know, maybe because it's in streamer mode, it's not doing me.
Yeah,
It's not
maybe
doing
so.
that for me, but we'll see.
Man, that's weird. Because the one you want it just says order. You know what I mean? And it has a buy market and sell market, green and red button on it.
That's all I need. Yeah, I think I'm gonna post it up. I gotta fuck around, but it's not doing anything right now.
That's weird. Yeah, it should be.
It's 15 level here. I don't know if we're gonna come up from here, but I think if we come up here, we can get a resistance going and then drive back down. That'll be interesting. Or if we can get one printed here, that would be lovely. Right, if we close below 32.29 here in about 6 minutes. I don't know, we'll see. We'll see how this plays out. Ooh, people at the Zoom door. Wonder if we fill this gap, but then again, we've never filled the gap that's up there. Up here, this gap's never been filled. Not yet. If you go into settings, oh yeah, I thought you were gonna say if you go into settings, you can make yourself 6'5", 6'6". This ain't ABA Jam. NBA Live. You ever play one of those games and just create the biggest possible fucking character? I'd be creating like a 8'1" dude. Just running around stepping on people. Top wick here for the previous candle. 15 still bearish. Three minutes here. Things could get interesting. All right, so here's the deal. If we close above here, we close above 32.35 flat. I'll have buy stops on the break at the highs of the previous candle with the current candle stop. Let's see what the 5 looks like. Yeah, you can't use the 5 stops here. There's a chance it comes back down in range here, but if we close above and then we break the previous 15 here on the next 15, we could be coming up for the 30 top wick. So it depends how we close here. 2 minutes. This guy's barking. Anyway, why are you so mad?
Say, why am I so mad?
I said Benny. Benny's out there. He's
Oh,
over there.
I heard Eddie. I was like, me? Never.
No,
Never, big dog.
Benny,
Even though YouTube took my account down, I'm still Gucci.
that's wild.
Yeah, it'll take 2 business days, and I appealed it on Friday, so I'm probably not going to hear nothing until Thursday.
If you didn't do nothing wrong, they should just be able to check everything and bring everything back. Everything's saved on their servers. Oh, look at that top wick for the previous candle here. That's a 5 minute. Career mode in real life. Shit, hold on a second. Pretty close below, but
I was able to get that order thing up on the screen, but I took it off. That shit's huge.
yeah, I just want 2 small buttons. Yeah, we just need a closure right now. 30. Below 32.28 or close up above 32.35 and then come back close below. If we can see something like this and then close back below. Ideally. Or we get a closure below here. I'm not taking a re-break here. That candle closed right at the level. But if we can wait this candle and it doesn't drive, then I can look for sells on the next candle. It's a lot to ask for. There's 10 minutes left. There's a lot of volume, but I'm not taking this break of the lows here. 60 pips. If this can close and not drive, then I'll take a re-break of the lows. Until then, so yeah, and that would have been a break-even position. We would have gone slipped here by a pip. We definitely would not have secured anything here until it hits here. This would have been a B. Can take nothing there. Close right at the level. Right at it. crazy friggin' Asian session. 400 up, 300 down. Oh, the ref came back. It's tough, dude. Really? All the way back down on the 5? Come on, let's get a fake out. Closure above, closure back below. $20 for the 4 hour. You're gonna close bullish. Bearish on the hourly. Probably gonna need a top wick on the next hourly. Let's see the sloop come down on the 5. Man, I don't want the 5. Also never closed above, kind of respect it. Haven't gotten a closure at all. Don't want to make a bottom wick and still close above. Two minutes. What did it give you? How much did the 5 give you? 12 pips. And back up. 1 minute here for the 15. Wow, that respected, huh? That is interesting. Why did it respect? What's our stops here? If we can break the highs one more time, I'll probably set stops here. Oh, there we go. Market sell. Ah! Fuck! I put market sell. Sorry, close it up. I'm sorry. Sorry. Market sell. That was dumb. Stop sell. There we go. I'm gonna have a sell here too. Just took a sell on the live account. I'll look for a retest of the lows here. Alright, gonna go break even. Here. Go break even on the live account before it comes back. There we go. Right there, secured partials. Didn't secure anything here. Let's see if this runs. Secured partials on the live account. It's hard to manage everything at the same time. Let's see. Market buy two. So there we go. Closed half right there. Secured half. Let's see if this can run to the bottom of the range. So secured half at around 10 pips. Let's see if we get more. Let's see if we can come down a bit more. Just want to fill the wick, honestly. That was dumb on a market sell. It actually would have been good. It was the tip of the wick here.
That happened to me already a couple times.
Yeah, it's happened to me a bunch of times, but I just don't say nothing because, like, it doesn't matter. Like, that's my mistake, right? But it's happened to me so many times.
I mean, if this breaks that wick, bro, this shit should dump.
You want to bring it down? I don't have much to close. Just want to secure. Yeah, I'm about to
To the
secure.
big dollars.
Do we secure here? Yeah, let's secure here. Let's secure there. And let's see if I can get a bit of a runner on the live account. Yeah, I secured here because this is a funded. So let's just secure and not have any, and have a little more. Actually, I don't know if this account has daily drawdown. I was going to say have a little bit of more of a buffer, but W. Yeah, I mean, this is the tip of the range here. If it breaks through, then it breaks through. Let's see. The live is still running. Live account. I got 1/4. I closed. So the live account was a 4 lot as well. I closed 3 out of the 4. I got one learning. Got a gap to fill. It's the only reason I'm leaving the live open. But unfunded, we can build a bit of a buffer for tomorrow.
Yeah, I would assume we would fill the bottom gap before we fill that
Come
top
up
one.
and fill the top one. I know that's like we got a pretty good entry here. Our live account's running.
Yeah, it's another 100 pips to the gap. Nice.
Just want to drop. Just give us a drop. Nope. Don't think we're gonna get it. It's a strong level here. We might not break it right now. Might have our little fun pullbacks, drive up first, because we never broke this previous candle low. How much did I see? I saw max. Oh, I saw about 33 pips max. Top wick. Do we survive? Ah, fucker. Yeah, we didn't survive. It's gonna pull up. Or not. Let's go. Entry is 3227.4. So. This is what it looks like right now. Right. You know what? I'm gonna close full right there. Just closed full. Right at support as we tapped it. W! I mean, if it comes down further, great, but I closed full. Where's Jay when you need him? I swear, if this wasn't like multiple terminals, this would be so much easier to do. Instead of going left, right, left, right, left, right, managing here, managing there, managing here, managing there. W.
Yeah, this should dump even more because I had an entry on the rebreak of the low. I'm break even now.
I just don't like this level.
I saw 17 pips. Oh, there, hit my break even. But that's why I was like, this should dump at least a little bit more. I was another 17 pips.
I
Nice.
think it's gonna come up, create a resistance, and then dump heavy. If it is to dump, so it's gonna have to retest some of these highs up here. But we'll see. Maybe the resistance breaks. I mean, the support breaks. This is too, right? Like this attempted to come up here heavy and then just right back down. So maybe, hope you're right.
I like this terminal. It has an option for the data to come in faster, and these candles move faster than Apex does on TradingView.
For what? For top one?
Yeah.
Nice, nice.
The data is, and these candles just move faster. Like if I go down to the 30-second chart, like it's like moving way cleaner than on Apex. I guess their data feed integrated into TradingView is quicker than Apex.
Oh, we caught something before the market closed, so that's good. Caught 39 pips. It's an $1,800 evening. Yeah, it's all right. Could have been worse. It's 4-1 already. Wow. God, this is so stressful running from terminal to terminal. This is wild. They gotta let me copy trade this somehow. Oh, if you're on the YouTube side, hop onto the Zoom side. We'll give away a 50K account. Let's see. Maybe somebody can win. Hey, everyone that won last week should have received theirs, I think, by tonight already, right? Eddie, did you
Yeah, I've
receive
already
yours?
started trading at market open.
So you got it, right? So it was, I think, Eddie, I think it was Nate, Sam, um, the weed guy, weeds, something. Yeah, dope. All right, glad you got those. Gonna.
There she goes.
Fucking thing. Gold taking a dump. Yeah. We're really gonna fill this whole gap. I mean, we would have survived. We never came back up here. Doubled. Oh, like, what's the legit level here? There's no range here. The whole thing is a range now that we've driven up, driven down. I can't even, like, these things are of no use, these levels right now. It's gonna be a lot of new levels by morning. Shit looking like a football field. Can't get on Zoom coming from a day party. W. Can you guys, yo, spam some dubs for that W. Let's market today. Let's do it. Awesome. We do a little marketing. A little marketing. Just a little bit. Get some market things done. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah, if you're in about a minute, we'll do the giveaway. The 4-hour flipped for a split second and it's still going to close bullish here, or is it 20 seconds left? Damn, what a wild opening on the first 4-hour candle. We're right back to where market opened 4 hours ago at 6 a.m. I mean at 6 p.m. So we can actually say the Asian session has gone nowhere. Where you been? No, right here. Just chilling. Asian session basically just dipped with her fronts for the night, came back in the morning, parents woke up, and we still in the same place. How? All right. People at the Zoom door, is there? Oh, you guys already started putting your names in. All right. Yeah, just put your names. If you're in Zoom, put your names in, and don't put anything else except your name. Please make my job easier. Okay, chat. Is everybody on the Zoom side? Everybody put their names in? All right.
Good luck, everybody.
Let's run it. Let me grab everybody's names. Hold on. All right. Giveaway. Make sure there are no double entries. Here's a list of names from chat. Please give me a full list before you randomly select the winner. Let's go. Give me a list. 13 of you? Okay. Good luck. Good luck. Let's run it. Hey. Bougie. W.
Congratulations.
Bougie has not been a winner yet. It's the first time, right? Second time?
Oh.
Really? I don't remember you ever winning, but if you did, congrats. Or maybe you did. Yeah, just as a reminder, send me a message, either Discord or Instagram. Just send me your full name and email. W. Congrats, Bougie, on a 50K. Oh, you won the one-step Forex. Yeah, well, now you won the one-step 50K futures. Not gonna lie, I was gonna give it to you. Oh, I'm maxed on account, but you gotta win first to be able to distribute it. It's cool though. I'm glad you won, bro. I don't remember you winning, but yeah, over time, just keep showing up. Like, well, intentions, yeah, but the road to hell is paved with good intentions. You know what I mean? So everything I do has good intentions. I still get like the blunt end of the stick. So I'm always like, yeah, like I try to do this and that. And my mother's like, well, you know, the road to hell is paved with good intentions. So when you try it, make sure you're succeeding. I was like, really? She's like, yeah. Otherwise, what are you doing? I know some of y'all are eyeing the break of the low on the hourly. I'd be very careful here, but yeah. I know you guys are eyeing these top wick entries. That's what you guys are eyeing right now. But yeah, I think we're gonna call it. It's been a good session.
I agree.
Yeah, we got the W. We got a nice buffer for the daily drawdown on a funded. Let's really run it up New York session.
Patience paid.
Yeah, it typically does. It usually does pay. I'm gonna make this public stream. Hold on. Make it public. So people start walking in and just call it. Yeah, you're streaming on Sunday? Yep. See you later. Do it? Yeah, I just did. I just made it public. I'm just gonna wait for the person to come in. First person to come in here. Just want to see that first person in chat. Someone's got to come in here and be like, I didn't know you were streaming Sunday. Oh shit, it's 5-1 already. Yeah. Bandits put the beats on the Leafs. Has it flipped? Ooh, 5 closed. Bullish there. This 5's no top wick. This could make a bottom wick and drive up. Or you see a 30 flip and drive down. 15-30 hourly looks like the stronger confirmation, right? Oh, the 4 hours bullish. I don't know. Yeah, I'm going to call it here. Let's call it a session. Thank you guys for joining me tonight. I'm going to go back to healing my arm and medication. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. We'll do this again. It's been real.
Take it easy, brother. Have a good night, everybody.
For sure. Have a good night, everyone. Have a good night. Congrats to everybody that showed up. Congrats to Bougie on a 50K. Congrats to everyone that took the dubs with us. See you guys in the morning. Yes, sir. See you in the morning. Good night.